Yo.
Hi, Mr. Olsen. I have a question. We recently lost my dad, and he left a safety deposit box with myself and my sibling as deputy, but there is not a joint on that account. Will that automatically go to probate?
When you say account, do you mean the safe deposit box?
Yes, I'm sorry, not account,
Okay.
the actual safety deposit box,
All right,
the
Natalie. So
content.
let me tell you what may be the bad news for you. Here at the Olson Law
Okay.
Group, we're all about helping people to avoid probate. When we are doing
Yes.
estate planning with people, helping them avoid probate, we do an action plan for them. And Holly, one of our action plans for clients regarding safe deposit box
Is to either add your children or get rid of the box.
That's right. Because so many times over the years, somebody like Natalie has called us and said, Tom, my mom died, everything avoided probate, but she died with a safe deposit box in her name only. Guess what? It's going to require probate a few $1,000s to get into that box, and that can be very disappointing if it's empty or if it's just got some old paperwork in it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So
Okay.
Natalie, you guys are going to have to make the judgment call. I'm not kidding you. A few $1,000s. I don't care what attorney you talk to. That's the minimum amount they're going to charge you for probate, and to get into that box. And man, that's really disappointing if it's empty. Or just got mom and dad put
Yeah.
their old deed to the house in it.
Right. So being a deputy doesn't really do anything.
I've never heard that term deputy. Maybe you're talking about executor or personal representative. Maybe that's what you're referring
well, my
to.
brother's executor to the will, but the bank told us that I am a deputy for the safety deposit box and one of my siblings.
Is that in another state, Natalie, or is that in Florida?
No, it's Florida at the credit union.
Oh, well, Natalie, I have never heard that term, deputy of a safe deposit box.
Okay.
But if that gets you in the box without doing probate, then I say more power to you. Keep on going.
Okay, we'll go for that. All right, well, thank you so much.
Thank you for calling. We appreciate it. So, Holly, I want to make this very clear to our listeners out there again about safe deposit boxes. So tell the listeners again what we're saying.
So if you own a safe deposit box and you're the only named person for the safe deposit box, upon your passing, your children or relative will need to go through probate to gain access to that box. So you can do one of two things. Ensure that you own it with someone else, your children, a friend, that someone else is named on the safe deposit box. Or if it's just simply holding your pieces of paper, get rid of the box.
Great advice, Holly. Hey, folks, my name is Tom Olsen. The name of the show is Olsen on Law.